Hello and welcome back to our C++ software engineering videos. This video is actually going to signal the start of the next steps of the uh, software engineering videos. So where have we been so far? Let's recap real quick. So we've taken a look at the C++ fundamentals. We've gone through pointers, for loops, arrays. We've taken a look at functions, branching, if-while statements. Whiles would be looping, but if statements. And we've also looked at some binary notation and object-oriented programming. Data structures. We've also taken a look at graphs, interfaces, linked lists, stacks, and custom user types, which goes along with object-oriented programming a lot, but not always. And we've also done algorithms. We've done various types of sorting, like quicksort and merge sort. We have done binary searches. We have done recursion and solving the towers of Hanai problem. And we've also done expression tree evaluation on graphs. So where do we go to from here? You guys are just all experts. Thank you for taking my course. No, just kidding. So now it's time to actually take what we've learned and make some cool stuff. So when we sit down to think about what we can make, there's kind of two general categories of things that we can sit down to program. One, there's applications. They could be web applications or desktop applications, or they're games. PC games, Mac games, Xbox games. Yeah. So we're going to be making a game. What type of game? Or to make an MMO? No, not really. Only Jason's that crazy. Alright, we're actually going to start out pretty simple. We're going to create this game. Yes, I know you guys all know what it is. Tic-Tac-Toe. So, you're probably thinking, could we do something a little more interesting, like, I don't know, Connect 4? But Tic-Tac-Toe is actually really great starting point. And my philosophy is you got to learn to crawl before you can run. So, what are we going to be learning as we learn how to do Tic-Tac-Toe? Well, the first thing, OpenGL. We're going to have a graphics system, and we're going to render our X's and O's to the screen and provide a way for users to interact with that. We're going to be learning the fundamentals of cross-platform game development. This game will be able to run on both Mac and Windows, probably Linux users, but I'm not going to test that out, so hopefully my code is good. And we're also going to be learning the basics of AI. So it's no fun to just play yourself in Tic-Tac-Toe. You're going to need someone to play against. So there's actually a lot of great topics in the game of Tic-Tac-Toe to build a good foundation for us to move forward and then create a much more advanced game where maybe we have mages running around shooting fireballs. But we got to start somewhere, and we're going to be starting with Tic-Tac-Toe. So with that, let's go ahead and get started designing our Tic-Tac-Toe game.